Updating your payment information on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payment per Payment Methods to view your current payment options. Step 3. Edit payment information. In the payment section, you will see your existing payment methods. Choose the payment method you want to update or select that payment method to enter new information. Step 4. Enter new payment details. If you are updating an existing method, follow the prompts to edit your information. If adding a new method, input your credit card or payment details is required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering or updating your payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your payment information will be updated on Lyft. Always double-check your details to avoid any issues with future rides.